In 2026, you don't need camera, expensive setup, or even show your face to become a YouTuber. AI has changed everything. Have you noticed how many new YouTubers are appearing every day? And the shocking part is, many of them don't even show their faces. Some don't use expensive cameras. Some don't even edit videos manually anymore. Because in 2026, AI changed everything. Years ago, starting a YouTube channel felt impossible for many people. People thought you needed a laptop, expensive equipment, editing skills, confidence on camera, and thousands of followers. But now, you can literally create videos using only your phone and AI tools. You can create animations. You can create storytelling videos. You can create voiceovers. You can even create entire videos without filming yourself. And in this video, I want to show you just how simple starting YouTube has become in 2026 because of AI. So, if you have been waiting for the perfect time to start, this might be your sign. Back then, YouTube felt like a place only professionals could succeed. People had studio lights, professional cameras, clean backgrounds, perfect editing. And for small creators, that felt intimidating. Many people gave up before even uploading their first video. But slowly things started changing. Fonts became better, free editing apps became available, and then AI arrived. Now creators can do things that used to take entire teams. One person can run a whole channel. Think about it. Single creators can generate a script, create visuals, and voiceover, make thumbnails, edit videos, and upload content, all from home. And honestly, this is one of the biggest reasons YouTube is growing so fast in 2026. The barrier to entry is lower than ever. You no longer need perfection to begin. You just need an idea and the consistency. One of the biggest fear people have about YouTube is showing their face. Some people are shy, some don't feel confident, some simply value privacy. And in the past, this stopped many talented people from creating content. But today, faceless channels are everywhere. You have probably watched videos where you never saw the creator, but the video was still entertaining and occasional, emotional, or inspiring. That's because storytelling matters more than showing your face. Now creators use stock videos, AI-generated visuals, animations, text effects, and voice narration. Some channels use AI voices, others record simple voiceovers using fonts, and audiences still watch because people care about value, not just appearance. You can start channels about motivation, history, education, cats, facts, storytelling, businesses, mysteries, daily life, or even AI itself without ever appearing on camera. And honestly, that has opened doors for many creators who never thought YouTube was possible for them. Let's talk about AI tools, because this is where things become really interesting. Today, AI can help creators in almost every step of content creation. First, script writing. Many creators now use AI to brainstorm ideas, to organize videos, to improve titles, or even create full draft. Second, voice generation. Some creators use AI voice tools for narration, especially faceless channels. Third, video creation. AI can now generate scripts, animations, backgrounds, and visuals. Some tools can literally turn text into video scenes. Think about how powerful that is. You type idea and the visuals are generated automatically. Fourth, thumbnails. AI image tools now help creators create eye-catching thumbnails quickly. And thumbnails are extremely important on YouTube because no matter how good your video is, people first click what catches their attention. Fifth, editing. AI editing tools now remove silence, add captions, improve audio, and even suggest cuts automatically. Things that once took hours can now take minutes. And this is exactly why starting YouTube in 2026 feels easier than ever before. Not because success is automatic, but because the tools are more accessible. Now, let's be honest about something important. AI can help you create content, but it cannot replace creativity. And that's where many people misunderstand things. Using AI doesn't guarantee success. Thousands of people can use the same tools, but what makes a channel stand out is personality, storytelling, originality, consistency, and connection. People still want human emotion. They still want real stories, real experiences, real ideas. AI is a tool, not a replacement of creativity. The creators who will grow the most are the ones who combine AI tools with authentic ideas. That's the real secret. You don't need to become perfect, but you do need to become consistent. One thing I love about YouTube today is that small creators actually have a chance. Years ago, growth felt impossible without expensive setups. But now, sometimes simple videos outperform highly edited ones. Audiences are changing. People enjoy authenticity more than perfection. Some of the fastest growing channels today started with fonts, simple voiceovers, basic editing, and consistency. And AI helps level the playing field. A beginner creator today has access to tools that big creators once paid huge amount for. That's powerful. You no longer need to wait until everything is perfect. You can learn while creating, improve while posting, grow while experimenting, and honestly, the hardest step for most people is simply starting. No equipment, no editing, no even AI, just starting. Many people spend months planning a YouTube channel, thinking about the perfect intro, the perfect logo, the perfect camera, the perfect niche. But meanwhile, Other creators are uploading consistently and improving through experience. Perfection delays progress. Every successful creator started somewhere. Most people's first videos were not amazing, but they improved by continuing. And in 2026, there are fewer excuses than ever before. You can literally learn almost everything for free online. You can create from your phone. You can use AI tools. You can create faceless content. You can start small, but you must begin. So, has AI made YouTubers easier in 2026? Absolutely. It's easier to create, easier to edit, easier to learn, easier to start without showing your face, but success still depends on consistency, creativity, and patience. AI can help you create content, but only you can bring your unique ideas and voice into the world. And honestly, that's what makes YouTube exciting. Anyone can start, including you. So if you have been waiting for a sign to begin your channel, this is it. Start with what you have. Start small. Learn as you go. And who knows, one upload could change everything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.